the ultimate guide to a healthy lifestyle. Eating well, moving more, and being happy. Are you looking for the ultimate guide to living a healthy lifestyle? Look no further. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the key elements of a healthy lifestyle, from eating well to moving more and being happy. First, like and subscribe to this channel to not miss anything. First and foremost, let's talk about eating well. A healthy diet plays a crucial role in maintaining good health and well-being. It's essential to consume a balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods provide vital nutrients and energy to keep our bodies functioning at their best. Remember to stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. And while it's okay to indulge in your favorite treats occasionally, it's important to practice moderation and make mindful choices when it comes to food. Moving on to the next aspect of a healthy lifestyle, moving more. Regular physical activity is fundamental for our overall health and well-being. It not only helps us maintain a healthy weight, but also reduces the risk of chronic diseases and improves mental health. Find activities that you enjoy and make them a part of your daily routine, whether it's a brisk walk in the park, a gym session, or a dance class. The key is to get moving and stay active. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity exercise or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity exercise every week. Finally, let's focus on the importance of being happy. A healthy lifestyle isn't just about our physical health. It's also about our mental and emotional well-being. Find activities that bring you joy and help you relax and unwind. Take time for yourself, whether it's reading a book, practicing mindfulness, or spending quality time with loved ones. Surround yourself with positive people who uplift and support you. Cultivate gratitude and focus on the things that make you happy. In conclusion, implementing a healthy lifestyle is all about finding the right balance between eating well, moving more, and being happy. By making conscious choices in these areas, we can improve our overall well-being and lead fulfilling lives. So take a step towards a healthier lifestyle today. Start by incorporating nutritious foods into your diet, finding activities you love, and focusing on your happiness. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Here's to a healthier and happier you.